In this video, I'll show you how to pay on Amazon with PayPal. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. Let's go and get into this guide. I'm now on Amazon. Let's go and continue with this tutorial. So the main way I've found to go and get around with using PayPal on Amazon is actually going and getting a gift card. And I'll be showing you the exact website you need to use to purchase the gift card using PayPal. So open up a new search engine. So I'm just going to use Google, and all you want to do is search for a website called Dondle. Now Dondle is going to allow you to go and purchase your gift cards, as you can see, by e-gift cards. So these codes will be available instantly to be able to go and use. So of course, come to the top and go and click the search for, and simply search for Amazon. And once you search for it, you're then going to be given this list here. Now, as you can see, all these gift cards are currently in pounds. And something you need to know is Amazon only accepts gift cards in the currency you're using. So all you have to do is to click one of these gift cards, and you could select the value. You could change the region as well, depending on the region you're into. So now that you picked the value of or the amount of gift card that you wanted to buy, and then the region as well, depending on your region, you can now go and click checkout with PayPal until you see your account. So click on your account and then log in your email here, and then it would show you all the transaction details and such to be able to buy the gift card. And it would be sent to your email as well. So once you get your gift card ready, then all you want to do is come back to Amazon, and you want to go where it says your name, and then you want to simply go down until you see your account. So click on your account, and then it's going to take you to this dashboard, and then you want to go and simply go and click on gift cards. You want to go click redeem a gift card, then you can go and paste the gift card you just received. Like I said, make sure your account matches with the region you bought the gift card in. And if you find this guide useful, please go down below and hit the subscribe button and leave a like for more.